What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about the Tusk titanium foot peg pin kit. Now this is exactly what you're going to need for your bike to add in some added weight savings, some added durability and strength, as well as corrosion resistance. Now let's talk about this. Foot pegs and foot peg pins live a hard life. They're constantly holding you up under the extreme pressures that you're putting on your bike during a race or an off-road ride. Stock peg pins can take a beating. In fact, this peg pin kit that we've got right here is off of Chase's 2025 Honda. This has got about a year on it. And the big thing that I noticed when I'm looking at it is how much corrosion and pitting there is on the surface. But another one is one of these pins is already bent and grooved out. Now, you aren't gonna wanna grab a brand new set of pegs and throw your old beat up pins or bent pins through it, because that's going to change the way that the pegs are sitting on the bike. But also, you never want to use old parts with new parts, right? That's where this pin kit is going to come in. So let's talk about weight just a little bit. Pin kits are super lightweight as it is, but these right here save you 43% of weight. This whole set came in at 1.3 ounces, so super lightweight. Now, strength, titanium is known to be super, super strong. It holds up great. And so you're not gonna see the notching or grooving or bending like you would with the stock kit. And then corrosion resistance. Now, this is the big thing. Titanium does not corrode like steel does. So these things are going to stay working like new and looking good throughout the entire life of your pegs and peg pins. These things are super sweet. We've got them for all the popular models. So be sure to jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com and put in your year, make, and model of machine to make sure that we've got you covered with the pin kit that you need. Now, one thing I will note here is these are built and modeled after the OEM peg, pin, and spring kit. So if your aftermarket pegs don't use the OEM style springs, you won't be able to use those. So that is something you're gonna wanna keep aware of. Now, I will tell you again, this comes with the pins, springs, washers, as well as new cotter pins. So you're all set up for a nice, easy install of your new pegs. As always, we here at Rocky Mountain ATV offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.